heck are you?
Well, my name is Mr. Squirrel. Now, you take this boom box first, you see? You put the cord that's here into that, and it'll make a boom, 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 if you know what I mean. You turn this thing up, it goes boom, 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 boom. And this thing, sir, is $25 if you want to put it up here. It's a respectable owl. Now, it's the greatest thing you put on top of the boom, boom, boom. And you want the mirror, sir? That is $25. Now, if you want the nice computer, I'll take that for $250. And I'll tell you that, too. You can't have those, because those are my annual pill sleepers. Now, if you want the chair, that's not worth anything, because I don't know what that is. Okay, I put my pills in that, and then whenever anybody sits on it, it goes, and everybody's like, what the heck is that? I'm like, it's my pills. What are you putting pills there for? I don't know, I didn't know what it was for. Now, the one-hand crutch. You want to go crusty, and you just walk around like this all day.
Alright, stop. I have made up my mind about all this stuff.
Yes, sir, what do you want?
Shut up!